your mind. Let us in. No demons. Homo sapien. I come in peace.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's K510 Automotive Group, man. You see what we in, man. We in the E36 right now, man. We on our way to go install these coilovers, man. Yeah, I got some coilovers for the whip, man. Not really to get low. My suspension is shot, and I'm about to run my 18s, and I got 17s on right now, but not really into like scraping and shit like that, so I'm probably not gonna go too low. Yeah, man, I got some Raceland coilovers, man. And stay tuned, man. I'm on my way to my cousin's crib where he got a garage where I can work in, because if you live in Maryland, you know how cold it get down here, man. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. I finally made it to the perfect location to work on cars in Maryland in the wintertime, man. It's like cold as shit out here, man. We finally made it. So we got this beast right here. We got the 4-door, man. E36. But I'm about to install the coils on the 2-door coupe, man. I don't even think I showed y'all. I already got a M3 bumper for it. Just did some little small mods. Been kind of daily driving it for a little bit. It's been holding up. But I finally realized it's time to get rid of them. All the old suspension, man. I had to do the control arm bushings already. And today we're gonna install the coilover shocks. So if you ain't subscribed already, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get more videos and see more content of BMWs and all types of car, please subscribe to the channel. And check out my Instagram. Be here at the bottom right here. Check it out. Follow. And yeah, man. Facebook, all that, hit me up. And even if you got pictures of builds that you're working on now, send them to my Instagram, like DM me. I always like to check out people's builds, man. We can network and, you know, to share pictures and stuff of cars and all that car content stuff, man. All right, guys, I'm back. Now I got my Raceland coilovers. I found me unboxed it for you guys. This is what we got, man. We got the rear springs, the adjustment sleeve, the front coils, rear shocks. Got an awful lot of work to do. Yeah. I don't know, I was just online and I seen a commercial of these things, man. I was just like, you know, I mean, they don't seem too expensive. Let me just give them a try. Yeah, man. So we're unboxing them now. Matter of fact, forget that. Let's just get started, man. We're about to jack up the car and take the wheels off and get straight to work. Alright, guys, so we got this thing jacked up, man. Get ready to start pulling on the rear first. Sorry about the light. I know it's a little dark in here, man. Alright, guys, we just got the old shocks off. We had to switch over the shock mounts. for the new one. I reused my old strut mount and the installation for it. But we got the coilover spring installed. And now we're about to catch the shock mountain bolt for the bottom that goes on the little
That motherfucker fell off.
Man, this fucking piece of shit, Jack.
Yeah, it goes on that side. So I guess the rear wasn't too bad to do. My first time doing one on an E36, so we're doing coilovers. Yeah, it's going right in the top half. I wonder that might be too high, right? I don't know. Fuck it. When I put the 18s on, double check. Okay, let's start. I'll probably go up a little bit. That's it. So guys, that's it, man. That's how you install the rear. All right. But now we're gonna do some test fitting to make sure we got the right height that we want. We got 8 threads on both sides. So we're gonna see how it is. You done? Oh, you want to record?
Yeah, sure.
All right, man, here we go, man. We're going down.
All right, fellas, we just lowered it down to a 5. So everything's supposed to be looking great now. How low can you go? You want to lower it down or not?
Oh, it's on the jack. That's why.
It's on the what?
No, the jack is on there.
It's still there?
No, that's. Oh, let me see if I can. Make sure I can get that motherfucker out. Actually.
Yeah, it went down a little bit.
Man, that's good. With the 18s, man, I just want to keep that gap.
Yeah, that's
Not
nice.
too tight.
Yeah, it's not too tight. It's nice.
Let me see how it looks inside. Damn, this motherfucker squatting. Yeah, that's a little bit of gap.
Yeah, but it looks like.
All right, so the front is already at the low. It's already low because the fucking shocks is blown.
God damn, that junk jiggling, baby.
Hey, on the highway, that motherfucker like shit.
All right, cool.
Yeah, we're gonna get back to it, man.
So yeah, we're about to take off the front and put on the front lowering springs. I mean lowering with shocks, whatever fuck coilovers.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? We back, man. We back. So I got the headlight on. Now it's getting dark in here, man, but we already did the rear. So now we just drop in the struts. I got one side halfway out. Gotta take off the top hat. Right now, we're doing the other side right now. It's 3 bolts at the bottom that you need to get, which is the strut tower bolts and then the knuckle bolt. So make sure you keep an eye on that. You know what I mean? If you're doing it yourself or you just watching the video, make sure you hitting with the impact, put the swivel head impact on there. Like butter, baby.
It's so bad as shit.
Hell yeah.
Get me one of these bitches.
Fuck yeah, man. But don't get the snap on. That shit too expensive.
Alright, now
Well, we got this side out.
stuck now.
What? Oh, the socket?
Yeah, no, the fucking bolt in the bitch.
Oh. But yeah, man, just want to give y'all a quick update, man. We almost done, man.
You got like a.
And this one, on this side, we got to actually remove the strut mount and transfer it to the new coilovers because they don't come with coilovers. I mean, they don't come with the new coilovers for some reason. It comes with everything but the strut mounts for the BMW E36. But all right, man. We'll be back. All right, so we got the struts out. But now I gotta transfer the top hats or strut mounts, whatever you want to call them, onto the new coilovers because they didn't come with strut mounts, which I don't like. That kind of pissed me off, but it's all good, man. So we got the new ones right here. fresh out the bag. So we're gonna put them in, and then. All right, guys. So we had to transfer the old strut mount. Luckily, these were still in good shape.
Don't forget it was a 21.
Yeah, the strut mount socket is gonna be 21 for that one. This is the old setup right here, man. See how bad this shock was? That shit, you can like play with it with your hand. This shit.
Hey, don't be jerking it off.
Hey, man. This shit.
Yeah, that was okay.
Yeah, it's on the verge of going up. But hopefully we get a better riding experience, man. You about to put yours in?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. See what side it is.
Huh? Yeah.
It's left and right.
I mean, how would you know? It's like, it goes on the same.
This is right.
How you know that?
Front right, right?
Oh,
yeah,
shit. Yeah.
What y'all telling me, y'all?
I'm tripping.
Charge. I'll put this one on the side. Alright, guys, we got the struts on. We're gonna drop it so we can see where we at when it comes to gap. This gap doesn't look too bad, but both sides on. Alright, y'all, man, we finally done, man. And it was a lot of adjusting to do, but we're not rubbing right now. Yeah, the process to installing coilovers is a pain in the fucking ass. Wouldn't you agree, dog?
Yeah, fuck yeah. You gotta keep on going up and down with this bitch. So basically, this is at 20 threads.
I'm going to light.
This is at 20 threads, and basically you're going to have to keep on taking off and putting on your wheel just to see how low you want it. But this is basic clearance height. So you could turn your wheel and all this shit. The first time we put that motherfucker down,
we were in the damn fender, man.
it was in there.
Shit.
When like basically with the springs, if you put it up, it will go up. If you put it down and the spring is all the way like extended, that means that bitch is gonna touch the floor.
Yeah, we was on last threads or like 4 threads till 0, man. But it turned out to looks pretty good. I mean, these not the wheels that I'm gonna be riding on for the summertime. But yeah, I mean, they were pretty cheap too. The coils wasn't eBay, like Raceland coils. If you guys want to check them out, Raceland. This is not a sponsored video, so Raceland, don't try to sue me on copyright or none of that shit. You know what I mean? Well, yeah, man.
Basically, you're gonna see how that shit rides.
Yeah, he's telling me to prepare for a hard hoopty ride.
They're gonna see how it's riding like shit.
Yeah, quality control, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna see how it is, and if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good night. And please subscribe, you know. I can't stress it harder. I mean, we've been getting subscribers, man. We at 209 as of today. You know, we're creeping up there, but we getting there, man. Thanks for watching.
Open your mind, let us in. No demons, homo sapien. I come in peace, no need for fear. Don't be afraid, your body is just a cage. Don't let your soul enrage by all this drama. See, man is wrong, the universe is karma. Nigga, I see